Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 12 of Treasure Trovember. I'm Kelly, the founder of Collage-Lab, and I'm so happy that you are here today on day 12 of this month-long adventure. If you are just finding Trovember, just stumbled across this video, go back and watch the first video. It explains the challenge a little bit better. This is a quick and easy one thing a day challenge. Each video is very short and you add one thing and then you come back the next day. So we're on day 12. If you're new, please register and download our free guide. It's full of tips and tricks from previous year's participants. This is the 5th year that we've done the challenge. And so here we are, day 12 of Treasure Trovember, and the prompt for today is to add repetition. Add repetition. So whatever that means to you, in all of the art supplies and things that you have at your disposal, look at your collage today and add some repetition. And then we'll come back tomorrow and do some more. Thanks for being here.